Hello, this is Ricky, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I am here to bring you my first impressions of the Google Pixel 4a. Now, this device is really just an amazing feat of software. It really just kind of shows you what Google can really do with software, and if they stick to what they're good at, how much they can actually bring to the table. So for $349, this phone is easily the best camera and battery life I've yet to test in a sub $500 smartphone. It really is just very impressive. So let's get to the first part, the camera. It takes amazing photos. The rear camera, the day shots, the night shots, they just really look good. And again, you wouldn't believe it is in a smartphone at this price range. Every other smartphone, whether it be the Samsung A series, iPhone SE series, and even I would go all the way up to the Nord, just cannot produce photos like this. Even the selfie camera, you don't think it's from a phone, again, in the $350 price range. So really just stands out and definitely impressed me overall. Then we get to the battery life. I've only used it as 2 days as a daily driver, but I have to say, both days I was over 30% the next morning. So really good. I haven't done my heavy use days. That's gonna be on the weekend when I'm really just kind of draining the battery, playing games, doing all that kind of stuff. And that will also see how the performance is. While the camera and the battery life has been really good, I have noticed a few hiccups here and there when it comes to performance and speed. It has kind of hiccuped at just a few times. So I don't know how that will go moving forward. I still have to do my how to speed up and save battery life video. So if you do have a Pixel 4a, make sure to subscribe to see that video because I will make this phone faster and have even a better battery life than it does now. Overall, I have been really impressed by this phone. You get a lot for $350, and I think that stands out more so with the storage. Getting 128 gigs of storage is still not the norm in this price range, and the fact that they give it to you when other manufacturers are giving you 64 gigs is a huge difference. Now, I will say that I wish that it would have expandable memory. Pixel's never done that, but 128 gigs I think is going to be fine for most people, especially if you've just had, Metro PCS, Cricket phones, all these other phones that are usually giving you 32 gigs, let alone sometimes 64. Giving you 128, I think you're going to be fine with and you'll be able to do a lot with. Now, we'll have to wait and see in terms of video taking and for instance gameplay and in terms of everything else I need to check out before the full review. Make sure to subscribe to find that out. And if you want to see lots of other photos that I will be taking with this, make sure to check out our Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at YouTube Tech Guy. Let me know what you guys want to see before the full review and what you guys think of this phone. The size is very tiny. I will say if they would have made an XL version for $449, maybe with a bigger battery and a wider angle camera, I think they could have taken the whole market. But we'll have to wait and see what happens with the 4a 5G that's rumored to be coming out, as well as the Pixel 5 itself. Stay tuned for all of those videos coming up. Thank you as always for watching. This has been Ricky, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.